Okay, good morning, friends. Let's begin today. So, we people are going to begin our class with some important instructions for you. Okay, so regarding that writing of assignments, so all you people just think that you people have 25 marks for ISCs. Okay, so all you people are going to appear for ISC. Already people have done with ISC 1. So additionally there will be ISC 2 and ISC 3B also. And after appearing for ISC, all that 3 ISC will be converted into 25 marks, and remaining 25 marks that will be for ICA. Okay, so for that ICA you people have to uh, complete minimum 12 assignments, and for writing that 12 assignments you people have to just make a notebook. 100 pages notebook is sufficient that you can make, and in that you people need to complete all your assignments, and after completion you people have to upload those assignments in the PDF format on the given link. I think that links are shared by your class coordinator, so you people can work on that. Okay, so before going, you people will get those assignments in the study material sheet. So first of all I will show how to access those assignments. Okay, so I will share the screen. You people just let me know if it is visible. Is it visible?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, just one. So additional material, if you are able to see, if you go to additional material, at the end you will see CS all 12 assignments for ICA. That link you people have to click. If you click on that link, you people will be getting document. Okay, and when you get this, so that time you people can simply just complete. You people have to mention something like this subject on the first page. Your personal information will be there. You people have to write your name and subject, college, roll number, etc. And then you people have to leave 1 or 2 pages, one for index, and from third page you can begin. You people have to write down assignment number 1. Okay, then name of that assignment. So what is the name of that assignment? Grammar exercises first. So what is this grammar exercise? It is based on articles, nouns and pronouns. Okay, so that you people are going to complete in your notebook. So question first is here, you people have to complete these given 15 sentences. This is just an example. You people can write other examples also, but if you don't want to do anything, म्हणजे काहीच नाही करायचं, मी आहेच कॉपी डाऊन करणार, in that case you people can do this, but I'm not expecting just copy it down. I'm expecting that you people can write other 15 examples, or you can write this one also, and additionally you can find out more 10 examples also. This way you people can write down this. Then next you people have to write down any 5 words, 5 nouns in fact, that are ending with following suffixes. So the words which are ending with ment, ending with ship, ending with er, ending with or, ending with hood. So you can find out more also. So this way people have to complete this assignment. Remaining there is table. In case of this table, you people have to complete this table as it is. Here you are not expected to do anything, but you just complete this table as it is in your notebook. Okay, so this is simply assignment number 1. Similarly, assignment number 2, it is again grammar exercise second. based on verbs, modal verbs, auxiliary verbs, tenses, etc. So everything is here. You people have to just go through it and complete this assignment. And if there is any difficulty regarding completion of any assignment, you may just contact to me. Then there is exercise number 3. Again, it is based on grammar exercise 3, based on adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, etc. Okay, and first question is that any 5 adjectives of quality. So you have to write adjectives of quality describing color, qualities, good qualities, bad qualities, adjectives of taste, okay, adjectives of shape, adjectives of size, adjectives of touch. So that you will get from the notes. Here it is not mentioned. Answers which are not mentioned here, you people can get it from notes which are already uploaded in that sheet itself. Then here also you people can just, or if you did not get, you people just try to search on the internet. You just try to find it from any grammar book, adjectives of color, qualities, and you have to minimum 5 adjectives you people have to add here. Next is prepare any 5 adverbs for each of the following. Adverbs of time, you people have to find out. Again, it is mentioned, write down from the notes. Okay. Prepositions, already answers are here mentioned. You can write other examples also of prepositions. Not necessarily same examples should be written. You can write other examples also. So minimum 10 examples you should write. Then conjunctions, here also 10 examples are there. Again the same thing, not necessarily same examples should be written. You can find out other examples also and you can write, or you can write this one also and others also. So maybe if 10 is given, you can find out more 10 examples. Then next, number 4, assignment number 4 is about vocabulary. It is related to synonyms. So you people can complete synonyms, write down these minimum 15. If you want to write more, you can add more words also. So this is simple. Now in case of this is antonyms. So vocabulary, now you people have to find out antonyms. In this case, answers are not given here, you have to find it out. Okay, and you can write 20 examples. You can write more than 20 also, not necessarily given only, but you can write more also. Next, exercise 6, again here you people are having prefixes and suffixes. You people have to write down as many as words that you can possible, beginning with the D, decomposition, deforest, decentralization, something like this. Beginning with disqualify, disconnect, misunderstanding. Okay, so many things. Semi, un, vice, micro, auto, multi, anti, these are prefixes. And in case of suffixes, again you people are having same words: meant, ship, ion, al, ly, able, ness. Okay, then assignment number 7, writing conversations based on formal situation. So you people are expected to write down dialogues. So in case of writing dialogues, situation is given, but you can develop your own dialogue. Then 2 dialogues, minimum 2 dialogues people have to write down. In assignment number 8 also, you people have to write down the same, that writing conversation based on formal situation. Here also you are going to add more 2 dialogues here. नॉट नेसेसरली सेम कंटेंट शुड बी रिटन. डायलॉगमधले कंटेंट हेच लिहिले पाहिजेत असं नाही आहे. सिच्युएशन ही राहिली तरी चालेल किंवा सिच्युएशनसुद्धा वेगळी घेतली तरी चालेल, पण तुम्ही तुमचे स्वतःचे डायलॉग्स यामध्ये ॲड करू शकता. ओके, दॅट वॉज अबाउट 8. देन असाइनमेंट नंबर 9, हियर you people are expected to complete the exercise which is given here. So one passage is given and you have to answer all the questions based on this passage. So you complete this in written format. For paragraph, you people write it down. If it is not possible to write it down, you can take its printout and you just cut this paragraph and paste it into your notebook. You can do this or you can write it down. Okay. So that was about assignment number 9. Only one passage is there and there are 6 questions only. So people have to attempt this. Already answers are mentioned there. Then in case of assignment number 10, professional business letter writing. So here one question is given to write a business letter. So people have to complete this given letter in written format. And next, assignment number 11 is there. Writing a paragraph of about 120 words. So you people can take this topic, my favorite hobby, and write it down, or you can write your own words, not necessarily copy the same content. तुम्ही स्वतःचे my hobbies, my favorite hobby ऍड करू शकता इथं. My first day in the institute हे सुद्धा तुम्ही स्वतःचे लिहू शकता. ओके. अँड लास्ट वन इज एक्सटेम्पर स्पीच. सो एक्सटेम्पर स्पीच म्हणजे काय, इनफॅक्ट मला बोलायचं असतं, बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू स्पीक. सो यू पीपल हॅव टू राईट डाऊन दिस सेम. So deliver an extempore speech on given topic. So an accident and waiting room at the railway station. So these are two topics on which you people have to speak something. Okay. So these are the 12 assignments that you people have to submit. Is there any difficulty? कोणाला काय अडचण आहे का याच्यामध्ये?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you. So now while writing of this, you people need to do one thing, that you can complete it, you can take your time. 1 week, is it sufficient? Next week from Monday to Saturday you can take, up to Sunday, next Monday.
Sir, give us at least 12 days.
No, these are very short assignments, Prasad. If you think that 1 page assignment is, so for completing this assignment of 1 page, not required 12 days, I think. And very simple assignment. So see, completing only this chart, writing some words and completing this.
बाकीच्या सगळ्या विषयां सब्जेक्टचे असाइनमेंट दिले ते कधी कंप्लीट करणार आहे आम्ही मग?
Yes, you're right, but I'm not expecting that you people have to write down all 12 assignments at the same time. एकदाच लिहायला पाहिजे असं काही नाहीये. You can complete just 1 or 2 assignments within 2 days, 1 days. जसं होईल तसं करायचं. When you people are getting maybe holidays आहेत 2-3 दिवस मध्ये जर मिळाल्या, तर in that you can complete more. आणि मग जे 12 असाइनमेंट आहेत आणि 7 ते 8 दिवस मिळत आहेत, मग असं नाही होणार का? So I'm asking you people when to submit. You people have to submit this. You are getting this entire week. So today is Friday. So you people are expected to submit it on 5th of April.
हॅलो सर.
हा, yes.
सर एका असाइनमेंटला 1 दिवस तरी द्या सर, अजून दुसऱ्या विषयाचे पण अभ्यास असतात.
Okay, you can get, you can do, no issue. But if you're getting 1 day for 1 assignments,
Yes,
so
sir.
in that case, don't make it delay. So with this 6th of April, I was asking to submit on 5th of April. Now you're getting 1 more day, that is 6th of April will be the last date to submit all your assignments. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So one more additional tip is there for completing assignments. When you people are going to write it down, you people have to write down this assignment number, name of assignment, and then you people have to start. Additionally, you people have to write down page number. So why page number is required? Because if you are going to upload it, and if there is no any, if you people have to upload it in sequence only. Okay. So still also there should be page number 1. If it is like this, then you people have to mention page number. Then your initial is also expected on this page. Okay. So initial, I mean that suppose my name is Rahul Pandram Nagri. So what you people should mention, in short, you are going to mention your initial, something like this. Okay. And then additionally you people are going to sign here. So this should be on each and every page. प्रत्येक पानावरती असलं पाहिजे पेज नंबर, 1 नंबर जे काय असेल ते. त्यानंतर तुमचं नावाचं इनिशियल येणार इथं आणि त्याच्या पुढे तुमची साइन येणार. जर एखाद्या पेजवरती नसेल तर ते पेज विल नॉट बी ॲक्सेप्टेड. ओके. अँड यू पीपल हॅव टू स्कॅन इट प्रॉपरली. फोटो काढायचे नाही आहेत. एखादं स्कॅनर आहे तो स्कॅनर इन्स्टॉल करून घ्यायचा आहे. देन यू पीपल हॅव टू अपलोड इट PDF ओनली. दुसरे कुठलेही फॉर्मॅट PNG JPG वगैरे पाठवायचे नाही आहेत, फक्त PDFच पाठवायचे. अँड यू कॅन सेंड इट सेपरेटली. इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी एकच PDF करून पाठवायची गरज नाही, कारण एक PDF केलं तर इट बिकम्स मे बी बिग डेटा विल बी देअर. सो त्याच्यासाठी यू कॅन सेपरेट असाइनमेंट्स यू कॅन सेंड. while sending,
व्हॉट्सअपवर पाठवायचं.
no, you are not expected to send it on WhatsApp. Nobody will send me on WhatsApp. You people have to send on the link which is provided by your class coordinator.
सर पण तिथं 8 असाइनमेंट नंबर येतात तिथं.
Okay, it can be added to 12. जे 8 नंबरचे 12 नंबर केले जातील तिकडं.
ओके.
Okay, so that way you people can do. अजून कोणाला काय शंका अडचण आहे का?
सर 1 by 1 सेपरेटली सेंड करा.
सो इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू. तर 1 by 1 करायचे किंवा यू कॅन सेंड डिपेंडिंग अपॉन. जर एकच केलं तर फाईल मोठी होते आणि मग अपलोडिंगला यू मे बी गेटिंग डिफिकल्टी. सो रादर दॅन यू कॅन डिवाइड इट इंटू पार्ट. तीन असाइनमेंटची एक करून तुम्ही पाठवू शकता.
येस सर.
ओके. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट काळजी घ्यायची, स्कॅन करत असताना यू आर गोइंग टू स्कॅन इन द सेम वे. पेज व्हर्टिकलच असेल. बरेच जण हॉरिझॉन्टल पेज आडवं पेज करून स्कॅन केलेलं असतं आणि अपलोड करताना पण तसं आडवंच केलेलं असतं. जर आडवं स्कॅन केलं असेल तर रोटेटचा ऑप्शन असतो, ते पेज रोटेट करायचं आहे. म्हणजे जर पेज असं आडवं किंवा असं वेगळ्या ह्यानं नाही आलं पाहिजे आणि सिक्वेन्स फॉलो करायचं आहे. त्याच सिक्वेन्सनी आपली फाईल तयार झाली पाहिजे. जर असं खालीवर इकडं तिकडं झालेलं असेल तर दॅट विल नॉट बी अगेन okay. So all you people take care. Okay. So with this now I hope that all you people got about instructions about completing your assignments, and our submission is 6th of April. So on 6th of April nobody will be in position to say that we could not complete. झालं नाही, अजून काही अडचणी आल्या किंवा मे बी you can have your own problems, but nobody is going to tell me any problem after 6th April. 6th April will be the last day. All right. So with this now, we people will go for our what we people were doing earlier. I think that we people were doing modal verbs. Okay. So in modal verbs, I think that we people have done with maybe should we people are about to discuss. We have done with must, may, might. Must also we people have done, and we people are going to discuss next. So I will share the screen once again. Okay, I hope that this is visible now. I think that I need to share it once again. Just wait for 1 minute. Okay, fine. So let's begin with this. We are going to discuss about should and its various uses also. So sometimes what happens that usually we are using should with only one verb only. म्हणजे एकच यूज आपण यूज करत असतो शूडचा. So to avoid this, we should know other uses of should also. So therefore, let's pay attention to the screen. I hope that it is audible to everyone. Is it audible? काय अडचण आहे का कुणाला?
No, sir.
हो सर.
Okay, fine. So first of all, mostly or majorly you will come to know that the should is used for advice or suggestion. So many of the times we people get advice or suggestion from the people, and most of the times always elder people, usually elder people, or some people who have habit of giving advice only, suggestion only. So in that case, you'll come to know that how you can make suggestions, how you can make advice. So here it is, your hair is too long, you should get a haircut. So this is advice. Okay, and usually any sentence if you are going to use with advice, for example, you should study hard, you should take rest, you should go now, or so many. It is not always he you, but you can use he, she, it also. He should take care of his parents, she should just support her family. So something like this you people can think and think of any advice or any suggestion. Okay, I hope that you can make examples, but I'm not going to ask you send me examples because it may take time, and so therefore we people will avoid it. So we'll go to the next use. So next use is situations likely in the present. So something that may be right now true, or something that any situation you are expecting, you are assuming. In that case, you people are going to think of this. See example, Mary should be at home now. So what is this? We people are using should and then be. So you are expecting that Mary is at home now, and so give her a call. So should be, it is any situation. Likely means it it is a kind of assumption, it is a kind of guess. Should be at home, असायला हवी आहे, मेरी घरी असायला हवी आहे. So maybe it is a kind of she would be there, आणि मग त्यासाठी तिला एक कॉल करणं आवश्यक आहे, like this. So this is in present, you're talking about right now situation. So similarly, असं बाहेरचा काय आवाज येतोय का? माझ्या आवाजाच्या व्यतिरिक्त दुसरा गोंधळ येतोय काय ऐकायला?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just 1 minute. Okay, let's continue. It will not come again. So any situation, if you're going to refer it in the future, so this is a kind of prediction. काहीतरी होणार आहे किंवा काहीतरी घडणार आहे असं जर तुम्हाला सांगायचं असेल. Okay, so in that case also, if you are going to think of should to talk about, they should win tonight. So tonight is in future. Okay, so this is what? This is prediction. You think or they think की मला असं वाटतं की ते आज जिंकणार, आणि you are supporting your prediction. How you are supporting? You are saying they are a better team. That's why you are thinking that they should win tonight. Then next use, you people will think that different structure, should and V1 usually when you people are going to talk about advice. जर advice असेल तर वर्बचं स्ट्रक्चर कसं येणार आहे? should नंतर क्रियापदाचं पहिलं रूप V1 you people are going to use. So this like this, you should get a haircut. But here you people are going to think just different structure here, that is should then have and then past participle, V3 form of verb, and then you can make sentences. Just read this given example. You should have given your boss the report yesterday when he asked for it. म्हणजे हे करायला हवं होतं पण ते केलं नाहीये. Okay. So here we people have to stop because Khedkar sir is here and he want to discuss, have some instructions or something with you. So I will hand over this to Khedkar sir. So I will stop sharing everything.
You stop sharing. And recording.
I hope it is visible, and what we people were talking about its use of should. So let's continue that. I was talking about this structure should, have and past participle. Sometimes we people use की एखादी गोष्ट अशी करायला पाहिजे होते पण ते नाही केली, and you're talking about that thing. So here you'll come to know its meaning that the subject did not fulfill their obligation in the past or did not act responsibly. कधी काम केलेलं नाहीये. To talk about something like this, and the example was like this: you should have given your boss, structure should, then have and then past participle. असं कुणीही यूज करायचं नाही की should नंतर क्रियापदाचं तिसरं रूप येत नाही, पण जर वापरायचं असेल तर त्याच्या अगोदर have चा वापर केला जातो. So you should have given your boss the report yesterday. So it was in the past. You're talking about past event when he asked for it. पण त्यांनी रिपोर्ट दिला का नाही दिला इथं? It is not given. Okay. So for such structures, you people can use should and such things. Then next people will talk about should be and then main verb ing form. So see how different verbs can be used. Main verbs can be used with should. Meaning of such structure, it will be the subject is not fulfilling their obligation now or is not acting sensibly. So in this case, same meaning, that is like should have and past participle, but this is in past. भूतकाळामध्ये आहे तर हे कसं आहे वर्तमान काळ. आता सध्याची एखादी गोष्ट जर करता करत नसेल आणि ते जर सांगायचं असेल तर यू कॅन यूज दिस स्ट्रक्चर should be then verb ing form. See example here, you should be wearing your seat belt. So when you say you should be wearing your seat belt, it indicates that आता तू सीट बेल्ट घातलेला नाहीयेस आणि तो घातला पाहिजे हे सांगायचं असेल तर you can use this. Okay, and it is in present. Or another example is also here. It says we should be studying for the test right now. Okay, for this also you people can just use this की एखादी गोष्ट आता केली पाहिजे किंवा एखादी गोष्ट ही करणं आवश्यक आहे, बंधनकारक आहे. बंधनकारक नाही असं म्हणता येणार मला. इट शुड बी डन, केली पाहिजे, कर्तव्य आहे एखादी गोष्ट करणं. सो फॉर दॅट. ओके, सो वी शुड बी स्टडिंग फॉर द टेस्ट राईट नाउ. अभ्यास केला पाहिजे आपण टेस्टसाठी. सो टू कन्वे दिस. ओके, दिस इज ऑल्सो इन प्रेझेंट. To convey such things, you people can use should. Here additionally, difference between should and ought to is given. So you can replace ought to with should, or you can replace should with ought to. तुम्ही should काढून ought to वापरू शकता किंवा ought to काढून should पण वापरू शकता. Should can be replaced by ought to without a change in meaning. You ought to study more is equal to you should study more. Okay, so there is no difference ideally. ought to sounds more formal. Difference काय फक्त की ought to हे formal आहे and it is less used. Maybe you will not come to know that जसं आपण should चा वापर करतो तसं ought to चा वापर करत नाही आहोत. Okay, and it is formal. असं आपण ॲडवाइस किंवा सजेशन बघितलं एखादी गोष्ट करायला पाहिजे या संदर्भात. इफ इट इज यूज इन निगेटिव्ह फॉर्म, इफ इट इज यूज इन शुडंट, देन एखादी गोष्ट केली नाही पाहिजे असा त्याचा अर्थ होतो. सो टू ॲडवाइस नॉट टू डू समथिंग युजली बिकॉज इट इज बॅड ऑर रॉंग. काय नाही केलं पाहिजे हे आपण याच्यामधून आपल्याला लक्षात घ्यायचं आहे. यू शुड नॉट कीप युअर माईक अनम्युटेड, तर शुड नॉट नाही केलं पाहिजे. or you should not keep your videos on, video nahi on kela pahije. For such sentences people can use here should and not or shouldn't. You shouldn't throw your litter onto the street. So shouldn't म्हणजे नाही फेकला पाहिजे कचरा रस्त्यावरती. Okay, then Also, you people can just see he shouldn't play with those wires if he doesn't know what he is doing. Okay, so shouldn't play, नाही खेळलं पाहिजे त्या वायर सोबत. यू शुडंट वर्क सो मच, जास्त काम नाही केलं पाहिजे. सो एखादी गोष्ट नाही केली पाहिजे, नाही करायला पाहिजे असं सांगायचं असेल तर इन दॅट केस यू पीपल कॅन थिंक ऑफ धिस. ओके, सो आय होप दॅट वी हॅव डन विथ शुड. जर शुड बद्दल कोणाला काय अडचणी शंका असतील तर यू पीपल जस्ट लेट मी नो. अदरवाईज आय हॅव टू अनाउन्स absent numbers for today's class. जर कोणी प्रेझेंट असतील तर यू पीपल हॅव टू से येस यू आर प्रेझेंट. सो लेट मी नो. रोल नंबर 22, आर यू देअर? Roll number 29, roll number 31, roll number 35 is there, roll number 36, roll number 38, roll number 50, roll number 58. So absent numbers are 22, 29, 36, 38, 50. Okay, so I hope that you understand it. So in maybe next class we people will discuss remaining model auxiliaries and then you people will start tenses. काय अडचण आहे कोणाला?
No, sir.
So okay, thank you. So with this I will stop sharing this screen and I will end this meeting for everyone. Thank you. हा, yes, कोण काय म्हणत होतं का? Okay, if no, then I will end it for everyone. Thank you for joining today.